Hi, good afternoon. This is Jericho Villanueva. My course is Maritime Transportation. Uh, this is topic for today is um, what could be the application of IoT on the maritime sector. Okay, let's start. The maritime sector, I've heard about some amazing application of IoT in this area. IoT technology can be used to improve safety, efficiency, and maintenance in the maritime industry. For instance, sensor installed ship can monitor engine performance, fuel consumption, and equipment condition in real time. This data can be analyzed to optimize operation schedule, maintenance, and even predict potential issues before they occur. It's like having the ability to sense energy but for ships. Furthermore, IoT can also be used for cargo tracking and monitoring by using RFID or GPS technologies. And that's all. Companies can keep a close eye on the location, condition, and security of their cargo throughout the entire shipping process. This not only helps prevent loss or theft but also allows for more efficient logistic planning. Uh, additional of IoT enhance safety and security in the maritime operation. It can be used to monitor improvmental condition, detect and prevent potential equipment malfunction, and even improve navigation and collision avoidance systems. With the IoT, maritime operators can keep a watchful eye on every aspect of their operation. Just like how I keep an eye on potential threats to the earth. Overall, the application of IoT in the maritime sector can lead to more efficient and secure operation, ultimately benefiting in the industry and the people who depend on maritime transportation and logistics. It's like unleashing the power of in IoT in the maritime world. That's all. Thank you.